Hello everyone, and welcome to Scheduling Part 3. In this video, we will be learning how to use continuities in our products. When defining event structure for a product, you may find that you need the same or different resources for specific events. This can be done through continuities. Let's use Joe as an example for why you might want to use continuities. Joe's company is holding 3 days of training with an exam on the last day. An instructor is needed for each day of training, but in the interest of unbiased grading, the instructor for the first 2 days can't be the same resource that grades the exam on the last day. Through continuities, Joe defines this condition, and the system will take it into account during automatic and manual scheduling. Here we are in the Mint Web Assistant. We're going to head over to Products and open our product from last time. The first thing we're going to do is add a couple new slot groups that we can use in our continuities. So first we're going to select Day 3, add a slot group, and this will be the Examiner slot group. Then we're going to select the other 2 days, add another slot group, and this slot group will be for the training room. Now we can look at our continuities. There are 4 types of continuities in the system. We have preferred, required, a discontinuity, and a group. We're going to start with preferred. An example of a preferred continuity would be wanting the training room that we're doing our training in to be the same for Day 1, Day 2, and Day 3. So we're going to add a new continuity and we'll name it Training Room Unchanged for all 3 days. Then we'll drag in each day of training and select Preferred. Now we're going to look at our required continuity option. So an example of required continuities that we will be using would be that we want the instructor from Day 1 to Day 2 to be the same resource. So we're going to add a continuity and we'll say Instructor Unchanged from Day 1 to Day 2. So we'll grab each day of the instructor, drag it down, and select Required. Next, we're going to look at discontinuities. We're going to add a new continuity. Our example for a discontinuity would be that we don't want the instructor and the examiner to be the same resource. So we're going to drag the examiner down, and then instead of using the slot group days for instructor, we're going to use our already created continuity, which already has the instructors being linked as being the same from Day 1 to Day 2, and it has both Day 1 and Day 2 of instructors. So it's just a little faster and easier. Let's name this continuity Examiner and Instructor cannot be the same. And then we'll make it a discontinuity. We'll hit on the Groups feature in a later video. Now that we're happy with our continuities, we're going to press OK to save it in the system. This has been Scheduling Part 3. Thanks for watching.